The 2025 Bajaj Qute is making headlines as the most affordable four-wheeler on the market. Designed as a quadricycle, it promises to be an economical alternative to traditional cars while offering more comfort and safety than a two-wheeler. Bajaj has positioned the Qute as an urban mobility solution, targeting city commuters who seek protection from the weather without the high costs of a conventional car. The Qute features a compact design, making it highly maneuverable in congested city streets. With its lightweight structure, it delivers impressive fuel efficiency, which is a key selling point for budget-conscious buyers. Under the hood, the 2025 Bajaj Qute is powered by a 216cc, single-cylinder, fuel-injected engine. This small but efficient engine can run on both petrol and CNG, making it an environmentally friendly option. It produces around 13 horsepower, which may seem modest, but is sufficient for city driving. The top speed is limited to about 70 km per hour, ensuring safety in urban conditions while keeping fuel consumption low. One of the biggest advantages of the Bajaj Qute is its affordability. With a price expected to be under 3 lakh rupees, it is significantly cheaper than entry-level hatchbacks. The low maintenance costs and high fuel efficiency further add to its appeal. Additionally, it falls under the quadricycle category, meaning it benefits from lower taxes and insurance costs. Inside, the Qute is designed for practicality. It can seat 4 passengers in a 2+2 layout, and while it lacks premium features, it offers basic comforts like a simple dashboard, manual windows, and a small storage compartment. The focus is on function over luxury, making it an ideal choice for cost-conscious buyers. Safety is a key consideration, and Bajaj has equipped the Qute with seat belts for all passengers, a strong tubular frame, and impact-resistant body panels. While it does not meet the crash safety standards of conventional cars, it is a step up from two-wheelers in terms of protection. The Qute is particularly appealing for fleet operators, last-mile delivery services, and daily commuters looking for an enclosed, economical alternative to motorcycles and auto-rickshaws. With growing concerns about pollution and traffic congestion, its compact size and fuel efficiency make it a practical solution for urban mobility. Bajaj has positioned the Qute as a revolution in affordable transportation, challenging traditional entry-level cars by offering a cost-effective, efficient, and easy-to-maintain alternative. As more cities look for sustainable transport options, the 2025 Bajaj Qute could play a significant role in reshaping urban commuting.